What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another unboxing today. We're gonna unbox the 2024 to 25 Inception box. You guys know we've been doing a lot of HVAC videos and stuff like that, but today is the day that I'm unboxing shit. So, with that being said, no further ado. Oh, man. So this box comes with 2 autos per box, 7 cards. I don't want to look. I don't know what's in there. Oh, beautiful box. It's gorgeous. Alright, guys. Wish me luck. You know what? We're gonna see this together because here's a LeBron card. You know what? LeBron. Beautiful card. What is that? Oh. Oh my God. It's a relic. It's a Oso Igordo. I don't even know if that's. It's a number card. 58 out of 100. With I guess a piece of the jersey from the game. That is immaculate. That is an awesome card. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Next up, another memorabilia. Oh, it's an auto card from Jeff Green. Wow, that looks amazing. That's a beautiful card. Certified autograph. Yes, sir. See who's next. Oh my God, it's another memorabilia and auto. Dude, Rob Dillingham, guard, rookie card at that. This card by far is amazing. It's beautiful. Let's see who's next. That's the 2 autos. And here's another rookie card. Oh, oh my God. This is just beautiful, the card. It's, Ronnie James Jr. Another numbered card. 38 out of 50. 38 out of 50, guys. That is immaculate. Oh, Another rookie card. Oops, sorry guys. And this is, oh, it's not, yeah, it is a rookie card. Tristan Newton. I like the color scheme. It's very nice. Last but not least, Joel Embiid. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh man. Hey guys, thanks. He's a center. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.